Hello and welcome back. If you're joining the live or watching the replay, my name is Betty Rose Pradhan, owner of BBITS. Over the last 2 weeks, we've talked about clean up clean books, closing your year, reconciliations, expense and income review, financial reports, IRS notices, DIY versus professional support, and tax planning. Today, we're talking about something many business owners avoid: bookkeeping cleanup. Not because they don't need it, but because they're afraid of what they'll find. Let's talk about it honestly. What bookkeeping cleanup actually is. Bookkeeping cleanup is not punishment, it's not an audit, and it's not about judgment. Cleanup is the process of correcting past bookkeeping errors, reconciling missed periods, fixing miscategorized transactions, bringing books up to date and accurate. Cleanup restores trust in your numbers. Without it, everything else sits on shaky ground. Be honest. Have you ever said, "I'll deal with it later"? Type me in the comments. You're not alone. Signs you need bookkeeping cleanup. Here are clear signs cleanup is needed. Accounts haven't been reconciled in months. You're unsure of your actual profit. Reports don't make sense. Personal and business expenses are mixed. Old transactions are uncategorized. Your tax preparer asked questions you couldn't answer. You received IRS notices. You avoid opening your bookkeeping software. Avoidance is usually a signal, not a solution. Why business owners delay cleanup? Here's why cleanup gets delayed: fear of cost, fear of mistakes, embarrassment, overwhelm. It's not that bad thinking, but the longer cleanup is delayed. Errors compound, time required increases, tax filings become riskier, stress grows. Cleanup delayed is cleanup made harder. Type yes if bookkeeping feels overwhelming. Type no if it feels under control. Both answers are okay. What happens after cleanup? This is the part business owners don't expect. After cleanup, reports finally make sense. Tax prep becomes smoother, decisions feel clearer, stress decreases, confidence returns. Cleanup isn't just about fixing the past, it's about protecting the future. Who needs cleanup the most? Cleanup is especially important if you are behind multiple months or years, had rapid growth, switched software or bookkeepers, filed extensions repeatedly, DIY longer than intended. Needing cleanup does not mean failure. It means your business outgrew your system. At BBITS, bookkeeping cleanup is one of the most common ways we support clients. We meet you where you are. We fix what's broken, and we help you move forward with clarity. No judgment, just structure and accuracy. If your books feel heavy, confusing, or behind, it may be time for cleanup. DM me cleanup or book a discovery call using the link below. You don't have to fix everything alone. Tomorrow, we'll talk about how bookkeeping cleanup leads to better tax outcomes. Thank you for being here. I'll see you tomorrow.